How to fix missing microphone on Android phone keyboard. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where on the keyboard on your Android phone, there is no microphone that you can tap to use voice input or voice typing. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm going to be showing you on the Gboard, but if you have a Samsung phone, it might be the Samsung keyboard. So check the description and I'll show you on a Samsung phone how to fix this issue. So the first thing we need to do is just start typing so that the keyboard actually comes up. And then what we're going to be looking for is the settings. So it might be displayed in the top menu here, but if not, select this little 4 dots. And we're looking for a little cog or gear icon right there. You might even see it down here if you swipe from right to left, something that says settings with that little icon. Go ahead and select that. And then all you need to do is select voice typing and toggle that on. So now I can go back. And as you can see, when the keyboard loads, I now have the little microphone there. If I select it, I might need to give it access to audio recording at first. So just select either while using the app or only this time. And then there you go. I can now type with my voice. And as you can see right there, it's working. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.